The Steelseries Arctis Nova Pro is a premium gaming headset that offers a winning combination of build quality, comfort, battery life, and sound quality. Designed to cater to gamers looking for a cost-effective option that still performs exceptionally well, this headset is a standout choice for immersive gaming experiences. The Arctis Nova Pro features a sophisticated all-black design with gunmetal-colored ear cups, a durable metal headband, and Steelseries signature ski goggles-style headband, which evenly distributes the weight for enhanced comfort during extended gaming sessions. The headset comes with two hot-swappable batteries, each providing around 22 hours of continuous playtime, ensuring it can withstand even the longest gaming sessions. With a lag-free 2.4 GHz dongle, the Arctis Nova Pro offers a low-latency wireless connection to your console, and it also boasts built-in Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to connect additional devices and enjoy music or other audio content while gaming. The sound quality of the Steelseries Arctis Nova Pro is top-notch, thanks to its premium high-fidelity drivers, delivering booming low-end responses, warm mids, and crisp highs for an immersive and accurate gaming audio experience. The headset also features a 360-degree spatial audio feature, allowing players to hear subtle in-game details like footsteps and gunfire more clearly, giving them a competitive edge. Additionally, the Arctis Nova Pro boasts an active noise cancellation feature to filter out distracting background noises, and a transparency mode to stay aware of your surroundings when needed. Overall, the Steelseries Arctis Nova Pro stands as a high-end and robust gaming headset that consistently provides an immersive gaming experience with top-tier sound quality and battery life. While it may be a bit expensive, it's a worthwhile investment for gamers seeking the best combination of performance and comfort in their gaming audio setup. The Astro A50 is a high-end wireless gaming headset that offers intuitive controls and powerful yet refined sound, making it an ideal choice for avid gamers, especially those on the Xbox Series X. This sleek and sturdy headset comes with a comfortable design that ensures gamers can remain immersed in their games for extended periods without discomfort. It boasts advanced support for surround sound technology, delivering a solid performance and consistently clear sound quality that gives players a competitive edge. The Astro A50 features a minimalist all-black design with a robust build, including sturdy aluminum supports to withstand frequent use over time, plush cushions, and a lightweight yet durable plastic exterior to prevent ear fatigue. The headset comes with a charging dock that not only charges the device but also provides essential information like remaining battery life, current EQ preset, surround sound status, and more at a glance. With up to 15 hours of playtime per charge, the Astro A50 ensures extended gaming sessions are covered, although the Steelseries Arctis Nova may be preferred for those seeking even longer battery life. The A50 is user-friendly and comes with controls to adjust the game or chat mix, enable surround sound, and more. Its powerful internal components consistently deliver stunning, detailed sound with ample bass for realistic sound effects, sparkling treble for clear dialogue, and warm mids to detect subtle details like footsteps for a competitive edge. Additionally, the headset is compatible with Dolby Atmos audio, offering a broader and more spacious soundstage for an immersive gaming experience. Astro Audio V2 ensures a clear and accurate stereo image. The built-in microphone is solid, providing clear communication with teammates during gaming sessions. Overall, the Astro A50 wireless headset remains a top-tier option that delivers powerful, crystal-clear, and detailed sound for gaming or viewing, while also offering comfort for extended use. Despite its premium price, it's a worthwhile investment for gamers seeking an immersive audio experience. The Xbox wireless headset is a top-quality gaming accessory specifically optimized for Xbox consoles, offering an impressive and well-balanced sound profile at an affordable price. Designed with avid Xbox gamers in mind, this headset boasts user-friendly controls, hassle-free pairing, a comfortable fit, and excellent audio performance. Its sturdy yet lightweight black and green plastic design comes with soft breathable air cushions and an adjustable headband, ensuring comfort during long gaming sessions. The rubberized dials on the ear cups allow for incremental adjustments to the game or chat volume and quick muting of the microphone, adding to the overall convenience of the headset. One of the standout features of the Xbox wireless headset is its solid battery life, providing up to 15 hours of playtime on a single charge and offering approximately 4 hours of runtime in just 30 minutes of charging. With dependable wireless connectivity, it pairs effortlessly with Xbox Series X and Xbox One, eliminating the need for a base station or dongle. Additionally, it supports built-in Bluetooth, enabling simultaneous connection to other audio sources. Inside, the headset is equipped with 40mm neodymium drivers that deliver a balanced soundscape with a slightly emphasized treble response, which excels with most in-game audio such as voice work, sound effects, and background music. Furthermore, it supports various surround sound formats like Windows Sonic, Dolby Atmos, and DTS Headphone X, ensuring an immersive gaming experience. The Xbox wireless headset is compatible with the Xbox Accessories app, which allows users to choose from a selection of audio or microphone equalizers and personalize the settings to their preferences. Overall, with its dependable low-latency wireless connection and solid sound profile suitable for most gaming genres, the Xbox wireless headset is an excellent choice for Xbox gamers seeking a high-quality and immersive gaming audio experience. The Steelseries Arctis 7X is a well-rounded wireless gaming headset that offers an impressive array of features, making it a solid choice for gamers across various platforms. The headset boasts a reliable and low-latency wireless connection, ensuring smooth gameplay without any noticeable delays. Its battery life is outstanding, providing up to 24 hours of continuous playtime per charge, which is longer than some high-end competitors. One of the notable highlights of the Arctis 7X is its impressive sound quality. Equipped with 40mm neodymium drivers, the headset delivers crystal-clear audio with good bass response, making in-game sound effects stand out while maintaining warm treble for background music. The mid-range response rounds out the sound, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Designed with comfort in mind, the Arctis 7X features a lightweight build with plush airweave cushions on the ear cups, ensuring breathability during long gaming sessions. The rubberized ski goggles-style headband provides a secure and adjustable fit, making it comfortable even during extended gameplay. The headset comes with a 2.4 GHz dongle, providing a stable wireless connection compatible with various gaming platforms, including Xbox systems, PC, Android devices, Nintendo Switch, and more. Additionally, it features a built-in Discord-certified Clearcast bidirectional microphone, ensuring clear communication with teammates or friends during online gaming sessions. The intuitive chat mix style allows for on-the-fly adjustments to balance game and chat audio levels. While the Arctis 7X excels in gaming performance, it may not be the best option for music enthusiasts due to its slightly lacking bass response. However, for gamers seeking a reliable, comfortable, and high-quality gaming headset without breaking the bank, the Steelseries Arctis 7X is an excellent choice. Its versatile support for multiple devices and impressive features make it a top contender in the gaming headset market. The Corsair HS35 is a budget-friendly gaming headset that offers surprising clarity and detail in its sound, making it an excellent choice for cash-strapped gamers seeking a cost-effective gaming headset that works with almost any gaming system. The Corsair HS35 is an affordable alternative to premium competitors while still providing a sturdy and comfortable design, a solid Discord-certified microphone, and consistent sound quality. The headset features a sleek and stylish design, with a simple matte black plastic headband and ear cups, accented with glossy black around the ear cups for a touch of style. The HS35's headband offers added support with an aluminum strip, while the lightweight plastic frame ensures comfort during long gaming sessions. The plush memory foam ear cups provide excellent comfort, and the headset's flexibility and adjustability make it suitable for a wide variety of head sizes. Connectivity is straightforward with a sturdy rubberized cable, offering near-universal compatibility with gaming systems, including Xbox, PC, Switch, and more. While it is a wired headset, the Corsair HS35's custom-tuned 50mm neodymium speaker drivers deliver surprisingly crisp audio with good bass levels and an all-around sound suitable for gaming, content viewing, and some music. The headset comes with a detachable Discord-certified microphone that offers reasonably clear communication with teammates and can filter out some background noise for responsiveness. Overall, the Corsair HS35 delivers solid performance, a quality design, and clear in-game audio for its affordable price, making it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers who want a no-frills headset that still sounds good.